What's up, everybody? My name is Brian Givens, and I'm here to talk to you about a DIY backyard slingshot project. So when you have a 7-year-old son, you got 2 boys, of course, when they're hanging out with their friends, the idea of a slingshot may come up from time to time. So having a little time this week, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do some research and see what I can do. Well, there's a lot of men out there that are just like little boys themselves, as I am sometimes, with ideas, and found a latex hose from Home Depot. So I bought this one from Lowe's. You can buy it from either. It's about 21 bucks, 10 foot. And I found a hat that I randomly collected from the closet. This hat is a great place to hold the balls that you're going to launch. And as you can see, as I stretch this back, this latex hose serves as a great way. Now you can attach it to about anything. I've chosen the 2 posts here on our backyard fort because I have a great angle that I can go down with, like you would do with a water balloon launcher. Well, this is not the time of year to do water balloons, so this is a great alternative and a lot of fun for the kids. So let's check it out in action. All right, so now we're going to actually launch. Got a baseball here, and we're going to see how far. I've used different balls to launch with different results. Got a good angle here for trajectory. Want to get over that point there. 3, 2, 1. And we hit the fence. Baseballs, I have found, work the best. Obviously, proceed with caution depending on windows or anything valuable you have nearby. Hope you enjoyed this video.